What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is Will from Will Surfs Waves. We are here at Drill Beach again. Got a little bit more swell, a little more action in the water. Super stoked. Got the family, Laurel and sister over there. It's supposed to get better and better. Let's get out there, have some fun. Here we go. All right, guys, just finished up with a nice, long, fun day of surfing at Drill. Tomorrow, we're gonna be going over to Drill in the morning, and then we're gonna be going over to Soup Bowl. Drill Beach, it has like a sketchy reef bottom too. It's not as bad as where we're going tomorrow, Soup Bowl. And there's gonna be like urchins and stuff over at Soup Bowl, so you gotta be a little bit more careful than you do at Drill. But super stoked, that's where the big waves are at. I don't know if it's gonna be too crazy in terms of wave size, but I'm gonna be super stoked to give it a shot. I think it should be around head high, maybe a little below that. Conditions could change. They say that stuff like that changes last minute, but all right, I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. You.